Hey everyone, we just got back our car from Coverlay. We had cracks in the dash, it made noise when we drove. We were so sick of it. Now it looks like a brand new dash, brand new car in my 2012. We love it.
In this video, we will see the installation of an 18207 dash cover that fits Chevrolet and GMC pickups and SUVs. This Tahoe was in immaculate shape with one problem. It had cracks in the dash. First, we'll take our new Coverlay dash cover and test fit it over the original dashboard to make sure it fits well. This customer is going to use the optional airbag cover that we send with our dash covers, so we're going to mark the spot where the airbag cover will go. Now we will clean the original dashboard with an ammonia-based cleaner like Windex to make sure it's good and clean before we install our dash cover. We also need to clean the back of the Coverlay dash cover to make sure it's ready for the silicone adhesive. The airbag cover is optional to use. If you are using it, you would remove the back to the double stick tape and you would place it where you marked the airbag cover location during your dry fit. Now we will install the silicone adhesive which we provide with your dash cover. We're going to put a small bead about 1/4 to 1/2 inch in around the perimeter of the dash cover and around any openings. The only exception to this is if you're using the airbag cover, you need at least 1 inch clearance around that opening so you make sure and not get any silicone on the vinyl portion of the airbag cover. The silicone adhesive application is an important part of installing your dash cover. It should look like this when you're done. Now we are going to install a bead of silicone adhesive on the cracks that are in the dash. Now you're ready to place the dash cover over the original dashboard. A helper is a good idea at this step to make sure you get it fitted well and then really push it down into place all around the cover. Now we will put painter's tape or masking tape along the dash cover to hold it down during the cure time for the silicone adhesive. We will also put weighted objects such as sandbags on top of the dash cover. If you don't have these, you can use reams of paper or anything that has some weight to it that won't damage the dash cover while your silicone adhesive is curing. After about 8 hours, you can remove the painter's tape and the weighted objects from your dash cover. Now you're all set. You can enjoy your new Coverlay dash cover. Remember, it has a limited lifetime warranty. If you have any problems, you give us a call. All of our information will be posted at the end of this video.